Okay, great. So let's move on to this question. Which expression is equivalent to assume? So we have this, right? So first of all, because we have exponents that we need to deal with, I think it's easier if we try to write this down. So we have 2, 7, 3, and 5. So it's basically x and y. So we have x raised to the power of 2 over 7, right? So anytime, so if you're learning algebra for the first time, anytime you're seeing, this is what you call a radical expression, and you have, I think it was y and 3 and 5. Yeah, anytime you see a radical expression, so let's say you're looking at this over here, so just focus on your numerator. Don't get overwhelmed just by looking at the fraction. So anytime you have a radical expression, that means whatever is inside your root, that would be your numerator. So a radical expression would have an exponent that is in the form of a fraction. So if you're looking at x, right, alone, that means your exponent would be whatever is inside, and that's 2, right? And your root would simply be your denominator. So that's going to be over 7. And then this is all over because of this division symbol, and this is all over y, and whatever is inside your root, because this is cube, right? Therefore, this is going to be your exponent, right? And that's specifically your numerator. On the other hand, your denominator would simply be 5. So let's take a look of what they wrote. And by the way, I just wanted to clarify, if your y expression is in the form of an x, right, then you can simplify this further, right? Because these two are not like terms, therefore this is your final answer. So yeah, let's see what they wrote. So x is 2 over 7 and 3 over 5. Yeah, this is right. So this is a perfect solution. And the only reason why I like this setup is because it's very straightforward. They didn't try to go in different directions. So I appreciate that it's pretty direct and straight to the point. So perfect solution and answer. That's it. Solution is correct.